Okay, good evening, class. Now we are going to start with the topic of pledge. We already have discussed that in the morning, but for reconnection with today's topic, let me briefly explain once again what pledge was. Pledge is a special kind of a bailment where the goods are delivered just like bailment, but this time the goods are delivered for security of any loan or for performance of any contract. And in this case also we have two parties, but the name of the party here will be pledger and pledgee. The bailer will be pledger here and the bailee will be pledgee here. And it has similar essentials as discussed in pledge. We have discussed that already in morning. And the pledger and pledgee, they have some duties. Pledger has a duty that he has to repay the loan on time, and then he also is supposed to pay the expenses incurred by the pledgee in case he makes a default in repaying the loan and then getting return of the goods. On the similar lines, pledgee also has certain duties. The duties of the pledgee will be that he is not he is not allowed to make use of the goods which are pledged with him. He only has to retain those goods as a security, not to use them. In case he uses these goods, then he is going to uh, compensate for any kind of damage caused to the goods. Then he also has this duty that after the loan is repaid to him, he must return the goods back. Then comes the right of these two parties, rights of the pledger. First of all, pledger can get back his goods, he can redeem his goods after he makes the payment. So he has the right to recover his goods back after making payment of his loan, the interest any due on that, and any kind of expenses that the pledgee would have incurred for retaining those goods as security. Second right is that when he gets back the goods on repayment of loan, he also will ask for any kind of increase or any kind of accretion to those goods. Like in case it was a cow which was pledged and cow has given a calf, you will get the cow as well as the calf. Rights of pledgee. So we have to now start in detail from this where we left in the last topic. Rights of pledgee includes first, it is right of the pledgee that he gets the payment of the loan, payment of the debt for which the goods were pledged. And in case the pledger refuses to pay for the same, either in case of either he refuses to pay for the money advanced, or he refuses to pay for the expenses incurred, or he refuses to pay for the interest paid, then the pledgee can refuse to return the goods and he has every right to retain the goods till the amount is cleared by the pledger. Second right is so long as the goods were kept by him as a security, he has to preserve those goods, he has to take good care of those goods. So whatever expenses he might have incurred on that, he has right to recover those expenses also. Another right of pledgee is right to make a legal action against the pledgee, the pledger for recovery of his debt. Now you have retained the goods because the amount was not paid back. But retention of the goods cannot make recovery of your amount. So to recover that amount, you have two options. The first option is that you file a suit against that person in the court of law, and from the court you can get your recovery of the amount for every amount which is due, principal money, interest money, expenses to be recovered. And the second option is also there with you in case you don't want to the court to take legal action. Then you also can sell the goods, but only after giving a reasonable notice to the pledger that see you have not given my money back. I'm going to sell away your goods. You have another 7 days with you. Please make your payment and get your goods back. But even after that notice, the amount is not paid for. Then you have a right to sell those goods and to recover your proceeds. But when the pledgee sells those goods, he might not recover the full money which was due towards that loan. So in that case, to recover that money, the remaining money, he again in this case he can take a legal action to recover the remaining proceeds. But in case your amount is enough, you can recover that amount, you can retain that amount, and that is done. Uh, Moving further, the next topic, and a very important topic of the topic of pledge, is pledge by a non-owner.